What you've received with your beer cannon canning line is a tool kit in this black bag, and in that tool kit is, depending on what you purchased, you'll have a pin height tool, could be 12 ounce, 16 ounce, whatever you might be running. You've got your calibration weights for your load cell, your scale, and then you've got a micrometer for checking seam integrity, some clippers to do can teardowns, which Camden will walk us through here momentarily, and then a simple dollar store can opener that's actually quite effective in doing some teardowns. So Cam, why don't you kind of walk through what we call seam school, and he'll teach us how to read the micrometer, do a can teardown, and talk about seam integrity in this seam school process.